Got it. I told him, I said, that's a fish on there. I said, the way he's pulling it. Can't let him get away now, YouTuber. All right. Well, I'm able to your those. I'm about to bring it over top. Cool. Got it. Now bring it up under. Bring your phone up under. There you go. All right, so you know, nice size. Nah, nice. You go ahead. Yo, call the other one. Right on that Chucky red, baby. That orange line getting hit. See? Hey, look, your end right here. There you go. One down. Boom. Left side. Somebody's right there. There you go. Sir. There you go. He done woke up now. Poor little. Ow! You can swing him up there. Swing him up in the air. He got his first one. All right. There's one, there's two. There you go. All right, lift it all the way up. No way it won't get snapped to me up and snap in the neck. Yeah, I know. I'm just come back and just drop my Itty. Yeah. Yes, sir. We catching them now. Trying to wait for the tournament, but I keep catching them. Run between your lines, all you gotta do is just keep it on them. Don't let it go. Woo, that's a good one. That's a good one. Got another one top. Hold it up, don't take it out. Go ahead, snag it up. Caught a fourth one. What's up, everybody? Appreciate y'all coming through, checking us out on this nice day in Detroit. The sun starting to come up, starting to get sunny. Don't forget, like and share. Like and share the live. Like and share the live. Got some nice catches down here. So far we got probably about 10 fish, I want to say. Close to 10. Get some nice bites out here. Nice bites out here. It's a lot of fish out here. See, yours.
First one. Snag his ass. That grab me a change out of there.
Hey, your boat, D.
Yeah. Hey, Hunt, can you grab this nuts on me real quick? Oh yeah, D baby. He got a recent one I just cut right here. No, I'm showing them the cat. I'm on number 5 right now. My boy D on number 2 catfish. He just about to pull it in. Y'all see that?
It's my long time, you know. I said, let out a little bit. He gonna run. It's practicing a big ass loss from this. He'll go put there high. As soon as you don't.
Damn it.
Hey, he pulling up my fish I caught early. Show him real quick.
This is a big motherfucker right here.
Nice, big one.
Nice, big one right here.
We fish with bluegills and perch.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah.
Got the first hog, man. Got the first hog, man. Yes, sir. On that little chunky fish, man. Yo, got the other. I'm chunky, baby. Hold on, let me down here. Look at that big boy. Hold on. Let me put the foot. I wear a size 15.
Phone died, forgot my charger, so I couldn't be in the Has Life Catfish tournament, but had a good time.
All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it. Living the Has Life. That's right, we living. Put your hater backers on. Don't see no limits. All summer long, I'm going fishing. Invite your friends and your kids. We bout to kick it. Living the Has Life. That's right, we living. Put your hater blockers on. Don't see no limits. Hook, line, sinker, cast. We going fishing. Cut bait, then wait.